Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Phantom Wallet Import Wallet. Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used for storing and managing Solana-based cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Importing a wallet into Phantom Wallet allows users to access and manage their existing assets within the Phantom ecosystem. To begin with, it is essential to understand the concept of a seed phrase. A seed phrase is a list of words used to restore a wallet and access its associated assets. When importing a wallet, you will need to provide the seed phrase associated with the wallet you want to import. The first step in importing a wallet is to open the Phantom Wallet application and click on the Import Wallet option. This will prompt you to enter the seed phrase of the wallet you want to import. It is crucial to ensure that you enter the seed phrase correctly, as any mistake can result in losing access to your assets. Once you have entered the seed phrase, Phantom Wallet will prompt you to create a new password for the imported wallet. This password will be used to secure the wallet and protect your assets. It is recommended to use a strong and unique password that is not easily guessable. After creating the password, you will be asked to confirm the wallet import. It is essential to review the wallet details carefully before confirming the import. This includes verifying the wallet address and ensuring that it matches the wallet you want to import. Best practices for importing a wallet into Phantom Wallet include using a secure and private environment to enter the seed phrase and password. This will help protect your assets from unauthorized access. Additionally, it is recommended to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. It is also essential to keep your seed phrase and password safe and secure. This can be done by storing them in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking application. It is also recommended to make a backup of your seed phrase and password, in case you lose access to the original copy. In conclusion, importing a wallet into Phantom Wallet is a straightforward process that requires careful attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can ensure the secure and successful import of your wallet. Remember to always prioritize the security of your assets and take necessary precautions to protect your wallet and seed phrase.